Interesting place if you are curious about the artist. Settings replicate his living and working environment, good audio tour and friendly staffs. But there is limited paintings of Rembrandt. Place is quite small, 1 to 1.30 hours max to see all. This place is unique and is a must-see in central Amsterdam. The audio has many different languages to choose including French. The front desk will ask your nationality, which is kind of weird. I saw so love that they have an artist performing there for the demonstration of etching. Very good experiences to have an interactive audio way to feel the ambience of the authentic house of the legendary artist, and acknowledge of the essence material for the painting color. Comprehensive life and art of Rembrandt. Feels like you know this artist much better now after the visit. Love the experience. My kids enjoyed it thoroughly as well. It was very organized and the staff are competent and friendly. A museum decorated with the feeling of the house where Rembrandt lived. It was more interesting than I thought because the structure was richer and there was a lot to see. The process of making paints was particularly interesting. If you have the chance to visit Amsterdam, be sure to visit the Rembrandt House Museum. Well worth a visit to get a deeper understanding of Rembrandt. The exhibition is very realistic and rich. The pigment production method has been simulated by the teachers who taught the course before. The collection of paintings is also very rich. I booked a ticket because it was a place I really wanted to visit when I visited Amsterdam, Netherlands in January 2025. I made a reservation for 5 p.m. due to other plans, but when I actually arrived, I was told to hurry up and visit because it closes at 5 p.m. Fortunately, I was able to visit, but 5 p.m. should be removed from the reservation time selection. I am sharing this with my complaints. It was really brilliant museum and exhibit. If you're an art fan, this is a brilliant experience. They have audio guides you take with you to give you information on the displays. Was a bit crowded when we went but it was still very educational and not chaotic. Highly recommend. Getting the tickets in Klook was fast and seamless. No hassles with queues and all that. Amongst the other museums, love here the most. Inspired me to start oil painting and drawing again. Rolling on the floor laughing emoji, rolling on the floor laughing emoji, rolling on the floor laughing emoji.